Hello everybody, my name is Derek and I'm going to show you how to fix your ps3 if it is freezing. First, you turn off your ps3 with the power button. Just tap it, it goes off. Wait for it to turn red. Once it's all red, it means that it is off. Yes, red. So next you have to go into safe mode. To go into safe mode, you hold the power button for it to make 3 beeps. First beep, second beep, third beep. Leave it. To go off again. This time you hold it for it to make 2 beeps and then a double beep. First beep, second beep, double beep. Leave it. Something comes on the phone. Yeah, it says connect the controller using a USB cable and then press the PS button. So as you can see, I've already done that. I've connected my controller with my USB cable to this. And then you press the PS button. This is the PS button. This button, yeah. That's it. A lot of option comes. Use the arrows. This place. Well, I'm doing well. Yeah, this place. Yeah. You go down. You select rebuild database number 4, and you press X for it to enter. It says, are you sure you want to rebuild the database on the system storage? If you rebuild the database, messages, playlists, and other saved information will be deleted. It may take a few hours to rebuild the database. You select yes. Preparing, please wait. You gotta wait. Says an available HDMI device was detected. Do you want to output the video and audio? Select yes with the X. Oh, my pad went off, so maybe your pad will go off. You put it on again with the PS button and you select X. Yes. To go off again, you got to wait again. Says, can you read the screen? Select yes if you can. Say if you do not press any button, the system will automatically go back to the previous setting. Select yes. It's giving you a limited amount of time. Select yes. Say the database on the system storage will be rebuilt. Select OK. Got to wait. Rebuilding database. Do not turn off the system. It'll be really sad if you did turn off your system. So don't. Because you've got to start all over again, and there may be some problems. 100. Yes. The PlayStation will restart. Yes, it restarted. There. So thank you everybody for watching this video, and I hope you subscribe.